Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can convert sales order to a sales invoice. We need to go to sales and quotes, where is our sales orders. So I have sales order to online shop. To convert to an invoice, we can click on manage and create an invoice. Or if we actually click on this sales order, we can create an invoice by clicking on this button. Now we are in draft invoice, where we can amend information if we need to, or if we are happy with all information, we just need to click on save. Before we click on save, we can also save this one as a draft, we can refresh information, or we can preview. If I click on preview, this would show information how invoice will look like. Also, it shows that there is sales order on which this invoice has been based and been created. If I scroll to the bottom, there is payment advice information provided as well, and if I'm happy with all information, I can save this invoice. Okay, from this screen I can edit still, email, I can make a copy of this sales invoice, I can add attachments, allocate payments, get delivery notes, view as PDF, or also mark as void. If I go to invoice list, this invoice will be under unpaid section, and I can see invoice 129 based on sales order 5 has been created here. So under manage, I have options to add attachments, make a copy, also make copy this information to a purchase order, edit sales invoice, email, get an online link, add a payment, print or download as PDF. Quickest way to email out is click on this envelope, and I have 3 options how I have actually sent this email invoice out to a customer. Either I can send from Clearbooks system, or I can mark this one as sent by post, or also hand delivered. In my case, it has been sent by post. If I click on invoices to know that I have sent out this invoice, the black envelope has changed to a blue paper folded plain. In this episode, I showed you how you can actually convert sales orders to a sales invoices. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Clearbooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.